Jumpo TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people, in today's video, we want to talk about Foota hype, the viral king. Also, we want to talk about dancehall superstar Buju Banton, the Gaga Bell. People, Foota hype exposed Buju Banton in the wickedest way after Buju Banton's son did a interview and I make people know say him almost turn fish, him almost go down the Shaky road, him almost turn Free Willy, him almost turn Finding Nemo, the man almost turn a dolphin. The man say when him realize what go on and how the devil a try get him fi fish out, fi Shaky out. The man say remember say Buju Banton and father and him listen to Buju Banton song Boom Bye Bye and the man say him decide say him nah go down the road there. But at the end of the day, him a go a church. A church him a take for it because the devil out fi get him. So Foota hype out here burn out enough people. And I say most of the people them we are burn out Buju Banton's son, them have selective fire. Is a set of people them will burn fire when them want. But Foota hype I say look pan Vybz Kartel. How Vybz Kartel go hug up Jaden. Vybz Kartel and Jaden did a skate pan the toll. Popular fish tacker Jaden. Where I tell man say want walk off the man them pan TikTok. Where I kiss out of the man them pan TikTok. Foota hype say Vybz Kartel see the whole of that. The man them still put Jaden in a music video. Vybz Kartel see the whole of that and still take picture with Jaden. So Foota hyper say them people are one-sided, full of double standard. The people them cool with Vybz Kartel a hang out with Shaky people, roll with Shaky people, and them cool cause Vybz Kartel a big artist, Vybz Kartel rich. And most a dancer rate Vybz Kartel. But Foota hyper say how the people them a burn out Buju Banton's son and the youth only have a thought. Foota hyper say Buju Banton's son only have a thought, he no have a action, he never act out panny. So Foota hyper say Buju Banton need fi start sing back the song Boom Bye Bye. The song Boom Bye Bye need fi go back in a Buju Banton catalog. Buju Banton sell out in fans, sell out in family when him stop sing that song the Boom Bye Bye. But enough people know say the ABCDEFG community a go after Buju Banton hard. Pause and them out forget Buju. So Buju no need the pressure. Buju no want that smoke there. So Buju signed some contract with them saying he can get back in visa and him a go leave them alone and them a go leave him alone. But at the same time we see Buju Banton do an interview in a Canada. And the person where Buju Banton did an interview was a fish. The guy did Shaky. So if Buju Banton go sit down and do a comer and do an interview with a Shaky person, that mean to say Buju Banton Shaky too. Foota hype they saw burn a fire, but Foota hype now burn the right fire. Because even if them a go after Buju and Buju have morals, all Buju have to do a walk the cleanest road or the clearest road as possible. But when you go put on your morals for money or you go stop being Buju Banton and sell your morals, sell your family, sell your fan base because you're weak out, that mean to say something wrong. And if Buju decides say him a go stop do Boom Bye Bye, that mean him weak out because that song there help bring him to fame and most people know him for that song there. And as a father, you have to stand for morals and you have to stand up solid. See? So once you believe in a certain thing, you have to stand for your belief and you have to firm for your belief. Buju Banton belief system Shaky. Buju Banton system Shaky enough of them artists here. sell out for visa, them now burn no fire again. Enough of them artists allow the fire business because of greed, because of money, because of fame, because of visa, because they want to travel a certain country. Enough of them people here sell out Jamaica, because we know that Jamaica is a country back in the days where you used to stand for certain morals. Fish have to stay in them house. Fish have to keep them dirty lifestyle to themselves. But now we see enough of the artists them fish out. Enough of the artists them are roll with shaky people that couldn't go on in a dancehall back in the days. When you go dancehall in the days, fire used to burn. We even see all TOK stop do them song. From them a par in a chichi man car. TOK biggest song ever. Them decide say them not do it again. And viewers and subscribers, everybody have the right to live them life how they want to live them life. Seeing but enough of them people here lie to the Jamaican people, enough of the Rasta them. When them want bust back in ideas, them used to sing certain song, a burn some fire, a dash of fire, a fling of fire. Yes, we know say enough of them get old, but at the end of the days, enough of them rich, enough of them have money, but now their morality gone. Some of them have more money that they can spend in a them lifetime. Some of them the amount of money where them have, them can't spend half it. Plus them still a get stage show, them still a get collabs, them still a do song. Enough of them Rasta ya now stand for nothing again. Enough of them no have no moral. Everybody we are watching video, like, comment, share, subscribe. Me I beg 200 likes pan a video ya. Me I cook right now. Me I beg 200 likes pan a video ya. Even the woman them in a Jamaica, a shaky man they want. Enough of them want to man them over TikTok where fish out. Certain joke when me see a run right now. Couldn't run in a dancehall or we couldn't run in a Jamaica. And enough of the fish them, a woman you see support them. If you have a woman, just watch and see who your woman follow on the internet, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. A peer fish them follow. Enough of the fish them are the woman them support them. Enough of the shaky people them are the woman support them. So we see when enough of them woman you love the fish out TikTok of them. Some of them man you bleach out. Some of them man you complexion gone. The man them even out there wear purse. The man them like a triple fish, triple X them I wear purse. And I try like say them want defend it. And I tell people say I show people and I used to fashion and people this, people that. And enough of we live overseas and we not sell out. Enough of we the money and the things them what we have in our life. Triple X not have it. Triple X now have it where somehow we have and we still hold on firm and we still not find ourselves in any category. We now wear any style. Seeing we now go with no purse. A cut off foot, jeans pants and desert clocks. Or cut off foot, jeans with me Jordan. Cut off foot, jeans with me white Air Force One. That's how we think that we cut off foot, jeans with we Shell Tour, Adidas. We now out here carrying no purse. And as a matter of fact, when me not step without me John Sport. I could party and me have me John Sport. Me as a youth will never run out of John Sport. Always have a John Sport before me have a Chan Sport. So enough of them boy out here, every style them in and me no roll them with it. Me pick a style will work for me. And at the end of the day, me have me youths them where me have to lead by example. So we have certain morals. So enough of them youth in a Jamaica fish out. And enough of them we do any things for money. And enough of them have crazy fans now. Cause enough of the youths them low. And enough of the woman them low. The man them and the woman them in a competition. Them man ya carry purse and a wear crop top and look fish out. We even see all Vybz Kartel out here. A tie up him head with towel. We see Vybz Kartel a wear nail polish. We see Vybz Kartel a wear pink bonnet. Me as a youth, me no wear pink, none at all. blue of a boy and pink of a girl. Nothing in a pink me no wear. And me no care if nobody want to say who, if you're sure you're sexy wallet. No, and I saw me grow. Me is a man born in the 70s and I saw me a roll. Nothing in a pink. If pink must wear, why is it when you no go baby shower and you no have a gender reveal? Why when you no see pink, you no know say a girl? If pink did a fi boy, why when you no see pink, you no say a fi boy? No, you no know say a fi girl. Stay now no lane. Me now wear nothing in a pink, and none of my son them can wear nothing in a pink. We are stand for with morality. We not care when nobody want to do over there so, but over here so, as so we rule. Straight white tee, clean to the desert clocks, or clean to the Jordan. So we see where Foota Hypocrisy, where Buju Banton must start sing back, boom bye bye. TOK must start sing back, boom bye bye. Sizzla Kalanji them must out there bonfire again. Capitan them must out there bonfire. Enough of the dancehall artists them shaky up, and Kartel do some freaky things out here. Kartel do some shaky things out here. And Kartel, because he loves sweets, he love the internet, he love the hype, he might go do anything to get the money. Kartel look and be a shaky. Buju Banton look and be a shaky. Buju Banton have two sons. One of them lost him life, him delete himself, or them unalive him. But the one that did fish out. And now this is one you are pre-fish weights. Bro, even if you are pre that, well, we not gonna tell you what to do or what not to do. But that you fi carry to your grave. You shouldn't come on the internet with that. Carry that guy your grave, even if you are pre them thing there. If you are dream and you get a shaky dream, chop up your bed, chop up your blanket, chop up your sheet, chop up the mattress, chop up your whole bed. If you get a shaky dream, take off your head, fling it away, grow back a new head. But certain thoughts, you need to keep it to yourself. And out here blame the devil, because at some point in time, might be Buju's son, I go explore them type of fantasy there, or them type of thoughts there, when having a head. Because he might run to the church, and to me, it look like Buju's son kind of off. It look like him now play with a full deck. It look like Buju's son elevator now go all the way to the top floor. It look like mentally kind of off. We know mental health is real. Buju Banton's son need guidance from him daddy. The time Buju out here do certain friggery, no found no artist to go be a father. On the sons and the daughter them need to know. So Buju Banton need to man up, have some moral about himself, and go reason with him son and guide them in the right and proper way. But Buju, you have to lead by example. You can't tap sing a song there, and then you find yourself at the interview with fishy people or shaky people because you don't want Grammy, or you don't want big stage show, or you don't want arena. Enough of you rich and you can't suffer again. Enough poor people out there don't have nothing and I hold it. And only rich and so greedy and craving. Enough of you artists love sweets. But them thoughts that we Buju Banton son have, he need to carry guy in grave and carry go around at one part. But as we say, enough of them artists are shaky. Enough of them youth here need them father. Enough of them youth here need some serious guidance. Them need a serious role models in them life. And Buju Banton's son need therapy. He need counseling. He need to go see a therapist cause him need help. Mentally something off. Cause the man say nah get no pum pum. And every girl a turn him down. Go buy a pack bro. Go buy a brook. Enough time me buy pum pum now. As a matter of fact, Jump Out TV production. Love buy pum pum. Cause if you have to go carry a girl pan a date, and the date a go cost 2 bills, you know better buy some pum pum. And sometimes me see a girl, me just feel like buy a little pum pum. Me even have all my wife more while, and more while me just buy a little pum pum, cause me just feel like buy some pum pum from her. Sometimes me have a nice piece of food, me just say babes, see a 3 bills, see a 4 bills, buy a little pum pum. Sometimes me even just little pum pum for my wife. Yes, so you go. See, so sometimes we get it free and sometimes we buy it for it. Same way. I just say go, so I rather go buy the pum pum. So the time when me I go talk to a girl 1 month or 2 months, And if you carry go on how much date, it better me go buy a little pum pum. Cause at the end of the day, me no have the time for waste. Enough rich man out there buy broke and pay a woman for go with them certain places. Cause they no have time for waste. And they no have time for do certain things. As T.I. say, it's not tricking if you got it. But at the end of the day, me don't see certain girl and me no really have time for run her down and a text. Yo, I do some pum pum more. Me help you, you help me. Me have all friends with benefits more while. And when some people think say me a girl clown, no. Me have a baby mother, me have a girlfriend, and me have a wife, cause you don't know. I said the thing go, if you're a gallus, you're a gallus. But sometimes me just feel like buy a pum pum. Sometimes me have all a iPhone, me carry go yard, give a girl and get some pum pum. And then me give her the iPhone, but me hold on pan the charger. So she go want a charger. So she come back and me give her a charger. And me give her the key. Sometimes all 3-4 broke for the iPhone. I say go. Don't kill me. I just say thing go. But at the end of the day, Buju Banton and your father. You have money, you have big house, drive out in car, go buy some pum pum, buy a broke. At when me a try say yes so, before me fish out or before me grape, me buy the pum pum. So if me a look the pum pum and me can't get it, me pay for it. Or me go work with who where I sell round a back road. Enough artists do it. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. Who not agree with me? Go chuck off. Is either you buy pum pum knowingly or not knowingly, cause even if you have your wife, you have to take care of her, you have to spend on her. So some way, somehow, you still a buy the pum pum, cause them your woman are gonna tell you say sex for hungry belly, a grape, and they want clothes, they want this, they want that. All when a girl a work her good money, she still want your carry her go on vacation. She still want your carry her go on date. So now tell me, say me if you go on a date and spend $200 on a date and I get no pum pum, me rather give her the $200 and I go on no date and get the pum pum. Me just say, I'm out.